So this is a drone show that is forming a logo of some big companies, except this drone show is not real. It was actually just a photo that was created by AI. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily generate a realistic picture of a drone show from your own logo using Gemini AI. So first, let's go to gemini.google.com, and you can also use the mobile app version of Gemini. Now here you can click the plus button and then click upload fast and then select your own logo. Now I do recommend to use a logo that is simple. Now technically the prompt can work even when the logo is complicated or do have some colors, but I highly recommend to use a logo that is simple so the result is going to be more consistent. Okay, for this example, I'll try to use the logo of OpenAI. I'm going to just copy it and paste that into Gemini. And for the prompt, this is the prompt that you can use. You can find this prompt in the description down below. I'm going to copy it. And here, there is one thing that you can modify. Notice that on my examples, there are some famous landmarks like the Eiffel Tower. There is also the Empire State Building. There is also the Statue of Liberty and the Pyramid of Giza. And lastly, the statue of Jesus the Redeemer in Brazil. So you can specify the landmark or the background of the scene, and I think that's going to add some realism to the picture. So for this example, I'll try to use the landmark of the Leaning Tower and click tools, click create images and send the message. So this prompt is very long. It took me hours to create this prompt, and by the way, this prompt only works on Gemini AI. It doesn't work on ChatGPT, and this is one example that I created using the same prompt, and as you can see, it's just not looking great. So right now you can only use it on Gemini. Okay, so we got this result. I think it is decent, and if you're not quite happy with the result, you can always click the redo button to get another variation. Now after that, you can actually use the photo on Google Flow or the video model to turn that into a video. But unfortunately, when I'm trying to do that, right now, for whatever reason, I cannot use Google Flow. It is just not able to create any video whatsoever. You can technically use the Veo 3.1 model in Gemini at the moment, but it's not very consistent and I don't have enough credits to do some experimentation to create a video. But maybe you have some better prompting, you can create an amazing drone show video from the picture that you created using Gemini AI. So that's basically how you can turn your own logo into a fantastic looking drone show using Gemini AI. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Have a great day.